Okay, for example 7D, the question is find the magnitude of the force P, Q, and also X. Okay, as I mentioned before, the question doesn't ask you to find the moment at any point, so you can use any point to find. Okay, find P or Q or X. Okay. If let's say this is in equilibrium, so it is in static mode. Okay, the first one, you know that fx is equal to fy, so equal to 0. So how to find p? So p is directly 30 Newton. And then you know that the moment mass times the distance is equal to 0. So if let's say you use this point, so you have two force, which is 10 and 20. So 10, the distance is x. So if let's say you pull it here, so it will be clockwise. And then you have 20. The distance is, which is 2 minus x. So it moves like this. So it is anti-clockwise. So it is equal to 0. So 10x plus 40 minus 20x anti-clockwise. So if let's say this is anti-clockwise, so you change this and this. 10x minus 40 plus 20x is equal to 0. So 30x is equal to 40, x is equal to 4 over 3. Here for example 3, okay, first how do you find P? So P plus 12 is equal to 20. So P is 8 Newton. And then if let's say we use the moment at this point, so P x, and then it moves like this, so it is clockwise. Then you have 12, the distance is 1, so it moves anti-clockwise, so it's equal to 0. So P is 8, so 8x plus anti-clockwise. So this one will be negative 12 is equal to 0. So x is 12 over 8. 3 over 2. Okay, example 3 is simple. Okay, example 5. Seems, let's say P is 10G plus 20G plus 30G plus Q. So there are two unknowns, so you cannot solve this. So if let's say you use the moment at this point, so you have 1, 2, 3, 4 force. So 10G, the distance is 3, so it moves anti-clockwise. And then you have 2G, distance is 2G, 2, anti-clockwise. And then you have 30G, distance is 1, anti-clockwise. And then you have Q, distance is 1. You move here, so it is clockwise, equal to 0. So you get negative 30G minus 40G, 30G plus Q equal to 0. This one is minus 30G plus Q. So Q you will get 100 G Newton. So how do you want to find P? So you just substitute here. So P you will get 160 G Newton. Okay, how about question number 7? If you have 2 points here, first you know that P plus Q is equal to 20 G, then G, 20 G. But because you have 2 unknowns, so you cannot find P and Q yet. Okay, so you can use any point to find the moment where the moment is equal to 0. So if let's say we use the point here, so P will be eliminated, so you will get Q. If you use the point here, then you will get P. Let's say we use the point here at P. So first 20G, distance must always be in the SI unit, which is 0.4 meter. Okay, and then it moves anti-clockwise. And then you have 10G, distance is 0.6. So it moves clockwise. Okay, and then you have Q. And then you have 120, so 1.2 centimeter. This one you move like this, so it is anti-clockwise. Okay, and then you have 2G. The distance is 7 plus 12. 1.6, 1.9. 1.9. Move like this, so it is clockwise equal to 0. So you only have one unknown. So you just simplify. If let's say anti-clockwise is negative, clockwise is positive. So we'll get Q 30 G Newton. And then when you substitute Q here, your P will get 20 G Newton.